Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hi guys, this is Ryan, and thank you for checking out Zero Budget Commissions. The name of this course says it all. I'm going to show you how I've made $100 to $200 a day with zero budget. Now there's a big problem that I'm trying to address with this training. When I started out, I took a lot of different courses on affiliate marketing. Almost all of them required me to pay a lot of money each month. Hosting, autoresponders, you name it. And this really put me off because I hadn't even started making any money, and suddenly I had monthly expenses. Luckily, I persisted and I managed to make $100 to $200 a day. I even managed to have an $800 day. So you can do a lot with this method. I will tell you now about my journey to develop zero budget commissions. Once I started making money, I had a lot of people contacting me on Facebook for coaching. A lot of my students were really scared by all the usual upfront costs. So I experimented with free methods to get traffic, capture leads, and make bonus pages. Another thing that I've developed is a new way of sending traffic. The methods I teach here are really good for newbies and for veterans. It's going to allow you to send hundreds or thousands of targeted visitors to any link. The beauty of it is you can reuse this source anytime you want, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees for it. I also teach a hack that I use to get high quality lead funnels for free. I'm also going to show you how to build bonus pages for free. And I also show you how to get your own bonuses to give away to get you even more sales. So you will learn how to start a complete business with free tools. I'm also going to show you how to reinvest your earnings and scale up, how to build your list quickly. That's the key to making money online. I'm also going to show you how to get paid traffic that converts into sales at very low prices. All of this you're going to get inside of this course. If you take action on this training, you can get good results and scale up. So if you want to start a legitimate online business, then get this course right now. I'm giving it away for a very low price. Normally the amount of information in a course like this can go for hundreds, even thousands of dollars. I'm giving all of this away for less than a pizza, but only for a limited time. Then I will be charging full price for this. So grab your spot today, and I will see you on the inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.